Mweri-ini wa kenda mwaka wa 2018 Kenya ni yatumire Marigitari 48 bururi-ini wa Cuba kugacirithia makiria ataramu wao ukoni urigitani ngathĩ-inĩ itiganĩte. Miaka eri thutha ucio Marigitari aya ni mahundukite guku bururi-ini magitanywo gucangira hari gukinyaniria mugaruruku sekta-ini ya ugima wa muingi na makiria hari mutaratara wa UHC. Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kuhumba thumbi Marigitari aya, Minister wa ugima wa muingi Mutahi Kagwe augite bururi wa Cuba ni kionereria kiega hari ugaciru wa motungata ma urigitani, akiuga Kenya irageria gutashukia makinya otamaya na njira ya kugacirithia motungata ma urigitani makiria muno ari kwamba kugitira mirimu imwe ri thumburaga na banene ya Akenya.
Under the UHC there are 3 issues. One is access to healthcare, which is what it means to go and see people down there. That's why we have got the community health volunteers to go and see people at their homes, ensure that they are clean, ensure that they have got water, ensure that they eat the proper foods. That is how to prevent people from coming to our hospitals.
When you are in Cuba training yourself to be a doctor, it's not just the profession of being a doctor that is important, that the life experience of being a doctor in a society that takes family health, primary health care, and community health are the centerpiece of a good health delivery system.
Kagwe oho akiuga ataramu uria Marigitari aya maregwateire ni uguteithiriria gukinyaniria mutaratara wa UHC na oho kwambatiria ikiro cia urigitani ta mabururi-ini mangi ma nanja kuria Akenya aingi mathiaga gucaria motungata ma urigitani.
We have got to have the standards of healthcare that means that a Kenyan is as good a human being as any on earth. Because if you allow yourselves to say, healthcare is high in India, healthcare is very well done in the US and in Cuba, it is as if we are saying that the average Kenyan does not require the same standards of healthcare as other countries, advanced or otherwise.
Tabarira ino ya gutwara Marigitari makagacirithia mathomo bururi-ini wa Cuba no iguthii nambere, no mbere ndaya Kagwe ni uritie thirikari cia county gutigirira Marigitari a bururi wa Cuba aria mari guku bururi-ini ni mararutithania wira na gikundi kia aya aria maracokire guku bururi-ini kuma Cuba niguo kurutithia wira githomo kiria maramukirire ihinda-ini ria miaka eri mihituku.
Some of these doctors need somebody like you who understands where they come from and also understand where you are going. But you are the pioneers of something new. You are the people who can actually implement what we as the Ministry of Health have been preaching and talking day in, day out. Take yourselves seriously. Take yourselves seriously and let's get this show on the road.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.